So on the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilyabai Holkar, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has just concluded his address in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, of course in the line as far as the success of Operation Sindoor is also concerned, he's connected it with women pride and women empowerment, saying that Sindoor itself is a symbol of pride and it was Nari Shakti, our pride and our sentiment that hit back Pakistan when they conducted sponsored terrorism in Pahalgam.
सिंदूर ये हमारी परंपरा में नारी शक्ति का प्रतीक है और यही सिंदूर अब भारत के शौर्य का प्रतीक बना है। साथियों, पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने सिर्फ भारतीयों का खून ही नहीं बहाया, उन्होंने हमारी संस्कृति पर भी प्रहार किया है। और सबसे बड़ी बात, आतंकवादियों ने भारत की नारी शक्ति को चुनौती दी है।
Well, as far as the Prime Minister's address is concerned, in a strong message, he also gave out when it comes to celebrating the success of Operation Sindoor. Calling it as India's pictures of resolve and strength, he says that the enemy has been, again, mitti mein mila diya hai. That has been the message that has been reiterated by the Prime Minister.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ भारत के इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा और सफल ऑपरेशन है। जहां पाकिस्तान की सेना ने सोचा तक नहीं था, वहां आतंकी ठिकानों को हमारी सेना ने मिट्टी में मिला दिया। सैकड़ों किलोमीटर अंदर घुस करके मिट्टी में मिला दिया। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने डंके की चोट पर कह दिया है कि आतंकवादियों के जरिए छद्म युद्ध, प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं चलेगा। अब घर में घुसकर भी मारेंगे और जो आतंकियों की मदद करेगा उसको भी इसकी भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी।
Well, Pragya joining us live right now. Pragya, the message that has been made loud and clear, and no better than the Prime Minister to outrightly claim as far as proxy wars that have been waged through terrorists, they will no longer be tolerated and we will strike them inside their hideouts. And those who support terrorists will also have to pay a heavy price.
Absolutely, Amita, and what better, an event or a gathering where all these women leaders and in fact the women empowerment message is given from this particular gathering. Prime Minister is speaking about Operation Sindoor, and he in fact emphasized and underlined what this Sindoor has meant in our culture, in our religion, and how strong the forces are when you talk about Operation Sindoor. He also spoke about women empowerment and women in BSF and the role that they had played during Operation Sindoor. And also the many firsts that India saw during Modi regime, where he said that the Sainik schools have been opened for women and girls, and also not just that, there are women cadet who have passed out. The first batch have passed out from a National Defence Academy. So all of these are first as far as women empowerment is considered. But there is a very strong message that Prime Minister is giving, that if you try to attack India, if you try to attack the Sindoor of this country, then it is women who are going to give you a befitting reply. And the force is something you will reckon with. And you had seen also the implications of attacking India. Prime Minister is also giving a very strong message to the world and to Pakistan at a time when Indian MPs delegation is out there in the countries speaking about Operation Sindoor and also the proxy war that Pakistan has unleashed on India. Prime Minister has given a very strong message again that if you try to strike us with bullet, we will give you, goli ka jawab gole se, and not just that, there will be no proxy war. We will deal with you because we know that the administration, military, and the government of Pakistan are in
today, as majority of the people in attendance as far as Prime Minister's today event is concerned were women. The Prime Minister also highlighting the government's welfare push for women through basic amenities and economic empowerment as well. Let's once again listen into what he said.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ भारत के इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा और सफल ऑपरेशन है, जहां पाकिस्तान की सेना ने सोचा तक नहीं था, वहां आतंकी ठिकानों को हमारी सेना ने मिट्टी में मिला दिया। सैकड़ों किलोमीटर अंदर घुस करके मिट्टी में मिला दिया। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने डंके की चोट पर कह दिया है कि आतंकवादियों के जरिए छद्म युद्ध, प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं चलेगा। अब घर में घुसकर भी मारेंगे और जो आतंकियों की मदद करेगा उसको भी इसकी भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी।
Well, let's get reactions now. Tuhin Sinha is connected with us. Tuhin, good afternoon. Well, what better stage and a platform that the Prime Minister on the birth anniversary of Ahilya Bai Holkar has also connected with the success of Operation Sindoor?
Well, absolutely. Absolutely. India is committed to eradicating terrorism in all forms, and that includes the sponsors and the supporters of terrorism. This is a message which Prime Minister Modi has always been extremely unequivocal about. And of course, since 7th of May this year, for the last 25 days, we have also put that in action. You know, it's a message as much for the sponsors of terrorism and for our enemies across the border as it is for those people within our country, especially, you know, some of our opposition parties who are constantly doubting what we have done, what we have achieved.
Absolutely. And Tuhin, as far as making the message loud and clear, when it comes to proxy wars that have been also waged through terrorists, that will no longer be tolerated. And also the Prime Minister saying that we will strike them even inside their hideouts. And those who also support terrorists will have to pay a heavy price for it.
Well, you know, Pakistan has been incorrigible over the decades. It has shown a propensity to never give up its obsession with terror. So sooner than later, Pakistan, after the humiliation it has suffered, might strike back, and we are prepared for that. We are prepared for even greater action, for you know, teaching Pakistan an even bigger lesson. And you know, you need to also realize that, you know, across the globe in the last 8 days or so, our diplomatic missions, our teams which have reached across the globe have met with phenomenal success.
Absolutely.
Yesterday, Colombia, which had initially supported Pakistan, has come out in support of India. We have obtained support from Japan, UAE, you know, Indonesia, among other countries. So in the next 1 week, when these teams are back in India, you will see even greater support and even bigger isolation, even greater support.
Well, looking
for
forward
India
to that as far as one Bharat, one mission, one message is concerned, and that is the diplomatic strike that is now being carried out by our parliamentarians. Tuhin Sinha, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's listen into the Prime Minister, because he says that every citizen of India, the united voice of 140 crore Indians, is saying कि अगर तुम गोली चलाओगे तो यहां गोले से जवाब दिया जाएगा।
भारत का एक एक नागरिक कह रहा है, 140 करोड़ देशवासियों का बुलंद आवाज कह रहा है, अगर तुम गोली चलाओगे तो मान के चलो गोली का जवाब गोले से दिया जाएगा।
Well, Pragya, when it comes to women playing different roles, as far as in, our defense forces are concerned, in startups are concerned, right from their lives when it comes to women empowerment, all of that has been highlighted by the Prime Minister today. Mainly if we speak of the women's role in the border security force during Operation Sindoor, the Prime Minister recognized their dedication and strength on the front lines.
Absolutely, and the event is perfect for Prime Minister. In fact, Prime Minister spoke about Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar. In fact, it is one of the personalities that have impacted Prime Minister's life a lot. And in fact, you would see that there is a statue of Ahilya Bai Holkar in Kashi Vishwanath Temple, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And he also mentioned that, remember, Prime Minister has always spoken about cultural identity or also women empowerment. These are some values that Prime Minister highlighted about Ahilya Bai Holkar, and in fact it looks like that majority of the policies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has been influenced by those ideals. Ahilya Bai Holkar has started this self-help group. He also emphasized on industrial development. He also focused on the She also focused on crop diversification, and not just that. She also the most important point is that there have been desecration of temples across the India, and she took on herself to ensure that those are renovated. Prime Minister also started doing that with many of the temples, be it Ujjain Temple or Kashi Vishwanath Temple, and we had seen Ayodhya's Ram Temple as well. So all of that looks like that.
And also to highlight, when it comes to Nari Shakti Operation Sindoor, the Prime Minister says that the world is witnessing the strengths of India's daughters at the national defense level, and over the past decade, the government that has also taken several steps in this direction, right from schools to the battlefield. The nation now places unprecedented trust in the bravery of our daughters. Well, Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We will be back after a very short break.